Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the paper, stir it and then paste it on the black sheet to make the branches of the tree. Draw the dotted lines. Now take the paper strips. Now paste them like this. Now curl it and then paste it like this by folding it to make the leaves of the tree like this. Make few more as such and your tree is ready. Next, we'll be taking the colors and then spread it with the help of the earbuds like this or the any stick. Now spread it to make the flower. Put the red color in the between or the light pink and then spread it. Now make few more flowers like this in the same manner. You can use different colors to make the flowers. Now you can make the stems and leaves with the green color marker. Put the yellow color dot in the between with the help of a sponge. Make the leaves like this and it's ready. Next, take the paper strip, stir it and then paste it on the black sheet to make the branches of the tree. Make the lines inside it. Now take the paper pieces, apply the glue and paste it like this to make the tree like this. Make the grasses and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the paper pieces like this and then paste it on the blue sheet like this. Paste the paper pieces of different colors of red, yellow and orange. Now with the help of the black branches, we'll be making the branches of the tree like this. Make the grasses and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing the leaves, branches of the tree. So first take a yellow color or orange color to make the flower like this. And then we'll be putting the green dots in the between. Now make few more flowers in the same manner as shown in the video. Now using the blue and yellow color, we will be making the flowers. Make the stems of the leaves with the green color like this. Make the lines and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the paper, tear it and then paste it like this. Now, to make the branches of the tree, draw the dotted lines inside it. Now, after that, take the paper, curl it like this and paste it. Or just crumple it and make the balls and paste it. And it's done. Next, we'll be taking the leaves, color it like this using different colors and shades. Now, imprint them one by one on the white sheet to make the trees like this. Now, fill it the paper with this and it's done. Next, we'll be making the bouquet. So take a sponge and put the red color dot in the paper like this. Make these circles. Now put the yellow color sponge dots on the sides of the paper. Put the orange color paper like this. Now after that, put the yellow color dots one by one. Make the stems and leaves using green color marker like this. Draw the leaves on the white sheet as shown in the video. Put the leaves like this and then we'll be drawing the lines. Make the bouquet and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the balloon and then color it like this and put the imprints on the white sheet. Now after that, putting the lines like this, take the green color thumbprints and paste it on the white sheet like this. Make the branches of the tree like this and then make the leaves as shown in the video. Make the leaves carefully and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making this beautiful bouquet. So draw the spiral lines using different colors. And then after that, draw the stems and leaves with the green marker. Draw the lines like this to make the stems and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the red color to make the flower. So next we'll be taking a balloon and then put the marble inside it, turn it inside out. Now put the color on the downside and imprint it on the white sheet. Now after making the shape like this, we'll be putting the yellow color in the between with the help of the earbuds. Now draw the stems and leaves like this using green color marker. Make the leaves on the sides ends of it like this and draw the lines. And then put a ribbon in the between and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the color on the sponge and then put the dots like this. Now, after making the dots, we'll be making the stems and leaves using green color and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.